student. Let's begin with the new chapter, chapter number 2, polynomials. In this video, I'll explain you the introductory part of the polynomial, what is the definition of a polynomial and how to identify whether the given terms is polynomial or not and the other related terms regarding this chapter. First of all, what is the word meaning of polynomial? The word polynomial is made up of the two words. One is poly, the another is nomial. Actually, the meaning of poly means many and nomials means terms. So, it is many terms. Polynomial has many terms. I'll define this word polynomial little later. Before that, you should know what is algebraic expressions, because without algebraic expression, you won't able to understand the meaning of polynomials. Algebraic expressions, you heard this word before also in 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard. Okay, let me explain it in detail. What is algebraic expression? Actually, algebraic expressions are made up of the two terms we can say. It has a constant and it has a variable. Now, what is constant? Constant means all the integers are known as constant and its value does not change. A very important, constant value does not change. Its value does not change. जैसे for example 6, 7, 1, 2. As I said, all the integers, जितने भी integers है, जैसे 5 हो गया, 2 हो गया, 7 हो गया, dash dash dash, they all are known as constant and its value does not change. The second term is variable. What is variable? You know the variable is English letters A to Z, X, Y, Z. Usually मैथ्स में हम लोग X हमारा बहुत फेवरेट होता है ना? तो X हो गया, Y हो गया, Z हो गया. These are known as variable and a very important is this, in situations its value change. Okay? In situation its value change. इसका value change हो सकता है. But the constant remains constant, their value does not change. So, let's move ahead. After understanding the meaning of constant and variable, now you are able to understand the meaning of algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? So, now I can write algebraic expressions is integer constant. See this, integer constant multiplied by variable and the power can be any rational number. Okay. Now, according to this, if I write any example, जैसे कि for example, I can write integer. I can take any integer, say x, integer constant. Then I can write any variable, say x, and any rational number. So, 2x square is algebraic expression, right? Then, the another example we can take, I can take the integer 5, I can take the variable y and a rational number 1 by 2 is also a algebraic expression. Or I can take the constant say 3 and variable I can take a and my rational any value 3 etc. These all are algebraic expression. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा what is the meaning of algebraic expressions, right? Now, according to it, अगर ऐसा हम लोग जाएंगे तो और थोड़ा डिटेल में अगर हम इसको स्टडी करें तो we can say algebraic expressions, any algebraic expression प्लस कांस्टेंट. अगर हम किसी भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में कांस्टेंट को ऐड करते हैं तो वी विल गेट द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन 2x स्क्वायर तो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है, ये अभी आप पढ़कर आए हो. उसमें अगर हम कांस्टेंट 5 ऐड कर देते हैं तो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 इज ऑल्सो अ एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. गॉट इट? एंड एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, अनदर एग्जाम्पल, एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन माइनस कांस्टेंट, क्या वो भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन होगा? तो यस, वो भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज माई एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज 3a स्क्वायर एंड माइनस 2 इफ आई राइट, इट इज ऑल्सो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. सो आई होप अब तक आप लोगों को एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया होगा. दिस ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस. Okay, what is algebraic expression? It has integer constant plus variable and the power can be any rational number. Let's move ahead and let me define now polynomials. Now you are able to understand what is polynomial. लेकिन कब polynomial आपको समझ में आएगा? अगर आपको algebraic expressions clear हुए होंगे तो. So let's try. What is polynomial? According to definition, algebraic expressions in which, listen carefully, algebraic expression in which power of variable is whole number. Power of variable is whole number are called polynomials. Are called polynomials. Have you understood? Or we can write polynomial is equal to constant multiplied by variable and the power should be whole number. ओके गॉट इट. अभी यही चीज हमने एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में क्या की थी? एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में हमने की थी इंटीजर कांस्टेंट इनटू वेरिएबल एंड द पावर इज रैशनल नंबर. यहाँ पे पावर रैशनल नंबर था. ओके, हाउएवर एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में भी कांस्टेंट था एंड वेरिएबल था. एंड इन पॉलिनोमियल्स वी हैव कांस्टेंट, integral constant into variable and the power is whole number. So what is the basic difference between the algebraic expression and polynomial is the power. In polynomial the power should be a whole number and in algebraic expression it can be any rational number. So according to this can I write कि all the algebraic expressions, जितने भी algebraic expressions है they can be a polynomial. Okay, but all the polynomials cannot be the algebraic expressions. Okay, now so all the polynomials, we can say all polynomials are algebraic expressions. But a very important thing, ये बहुत एक important चीज है, but all algebraic expressions are not a polynomial. All right, for examples I can write 5y to the power 1 by 2. It is a algebraic expression but it is not a polynomial. Okay, ये polynomial नहीं है क्योंकि इसका पावर होल नंबर नहीं है. However, if I write 5y square, it is algebraic expression and it is a polynomial also. Therefore we can say कि all the polynomials are algebraic expressions but all the algebraic expressions are not polynomial. Have you understood? Okay, now the next topic, move ahead with the next topic, and the next is the term of the polynomial. What is the next point? Our next point is terms of a polynomials. Now what is terms? For example, if I write 5x cube plus 6x square minus 2x raised to 5. It has three terms. These are known as term. 5x cube, 6x square and minus 2x raised to 5. These are known as terms. ये एक term हुआ, ये दूसरा term और this is third term. Have you understood? Now the next important point is coefficient. What is coefficient? Now what is coefficient? Suppose if I write the term 5x cube, in this I have a one variable and this is a constant. ठीक है, ये इसको हम ऐसे बाइफरकेट कर सकते हैं 5 and x cube. This is a variable. ये जो x cube है ये क्या कहलाता है? Variable. And this 5 is known as, जो constant है, this is known as coefficient. Have you understood what is coefficient? Coefficient is the numerical जो value होता है, जो constant होता है. If I ask you what is the coefficient of 6x square, it is 6. If I ask you what is the coefficient of minus 2x raised to 5, it's minus 2. Have you understood? Now the next point is zero polynomial. Okay, the next is zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? So zero polynomial means suppose if I write 2, minus 5, 7, these all are constant. ये सारे constant polynomial है and the constant polynomial is known as zero polynomial. Okay, the constant polynomial, जो constant polynomials होते हैं उसे ही हम क्या कहते हैं? Zero polynomial. If I write 2x square plus 5, okay, so ये जो 5 होगा this is a zero polynomial. इसकी डिग्री तो I cannot define you, थोड़ी देर बाद अभी मैं आपको explain करूँगी. But what is a zero polynomial? Zero polynomial is the constant. The constant जो term होता है, जो constant polynomial होता है, that is known as zero polynomial.